So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hello friends, welcome back to another Power BI tips and tricks video or idea. And this time we're gonna see how we can create custom KPIs in Power BI with the help of DAX functions we have. And though we already have some KPI visuals here, you can see here we have KPI visual. We can use this, but let's see how we can create the custom KPIs. We also can import KPIs from the app source here. So let's see how we can create our custom KPIs with the help of DAX functions. So let's see. Here, what I'll do, I'll create a new measure here, and I'll say this is my measure. And here, let's name this as KPI. And here, I'll be using some variables here, and I'll say let's set the threshold values here. Threshold that is equals to, so we don't have some hard coded values for the threshold. I'll be doing is I want to compare, that is I want to see the total sales figure for the yearly basis, and if the total sales figures is greater than the threshold that we set it, then I want to see the up arrow, and if it is less than the threshold, then I want to see the down arrow. That's what we want here. So I didn't have some hard coded values for the threshold, so that's why I'll be using let's set some values here. Let's say 5 lakh. If you have some hard coded value, feel free to use that. So let's create this, and let's create a variable here, and here I'll be using UNICHARs here. So what it does, it returns the Unicode character that is referenced by the given numerical value. So you can browse the Unicode and get the Unicode, and it will return the UNICHARs for that. So I already searched the up arrow. So up arrow Unicode. So I'll be just pasting here 128. That is 200. That's the code for the up arrow. And let's use variable again here, and let's use down here, and I'll be using again unichars, and the unicode character number, there is a numerical value for the this down arrow is 128 and 22201. Yeah. And here of course we need to return something here. I'll just return what, and here I'll be using switch statement, switch function. You can also use if functions. So let's use switch functions, and we often use true with the switch functions here. And here I'll be saying if the total sales, if this is greater than or equal to the threshold that we set in, yes, then I want to display what, the total sales, yes, with the space. Then I want to display the unit chart, that is I want to display the up arrow, this up arrow. And I'll use the same thing. I'll use total sales if this is less than the threshold value, underscore threshold, then display the total sales along with the down arrow, simple. Yes, I'll just close this here, and let's close this here, and let's select this KPI. I can see it is by default selected some, this is a cluster column chart, and let's select the card here. So this is my card, I can see. So we got visual KPI visuals for that. So let's add slicer for the dates table. So what I'll do, I'll add this slicer for the date, and this is my slicer. I just want a year here, and let's format this. I want this as a tile here, the style, and let's remove the slicer here, and let's increase the values. Let's say 15. Yeah, fine. Now let's add a background here. Let's change the background, and let's change the font color to black. Yeah, that's fine. And let's select 2019. So you can see, but it is not formatted correct here. You can see it is not in a readable format here. So let's format this here. So we already have some cool functions in DAX, that is a format function to format this. So let's use that. So what I'll do, I'll go again to this measure here, and what I'll do, I'll just yeah, I'll remove this total sales here. Instead of this total sales, I'll use format function, and here I'll use total sales. I want to format the total sales, and 0, 0. This format. I'll close this and just copy this here, and I'll just paste it here. This. Let's close this. Now let's close this here. Now you can see it is correctly formatted here. Now let's select 2019 here. You can see we got the sales figure which is greater than the threshold value that we set it, that is 5 lakh. And let's check for 2020. You can see, and let's check for 2021. You can see it is down here. Sales figure has gone down here because it this sales figure is less than the threshold that we set it here. That's how we can create our custom KPIs in Power BI using DAX functions. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.